Hi there, I'm Chris Renoson, Renoson Industries, Victoria, BC. Today we will be installing a satin screen protector on a Tesla Model 3. Hopefully this video will help you with your install. Please click the link below if you'd like to order a satin or a gloss screen protector for your Model 3. The first thing you're going to want to do in the Tesla Model 3 screen application protection film is to lock the screen on your Tesla Model 3. So we'll just show you how to do that. So on your home screen, you're going to just click the car button here. We're going to go to display, and then we're going to go to screen clean mode. So we're just going to activate the screen clean mode. So what we're going to do first is, obviously you can see we've laid out some towels just to absorb any water that may fall down onto the center console here. So we're just going to clean the screen first. I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol and water, or a soapy solution will work as well. And we're just going to gently clean that screen off. And just check it, make sure that there's nothing stuck to the screen before you get your piece of film on there, because you want to make sure that there's no dust or anything behind the film after or during your installation. So the screen is clean. So I'm going to grab our soapy solution. Part of this, when you order a kit from us, will include a squeegee to install your film on your Tesla Model 3 screen. So this video, we are doing actually a satin or an XPEL Stealth. So the product does XPEL paint protection film. It will protect your screen from damage. It will also make it easier to clean. It's available in gloss or in a matte finish, so XPEL Ultimate Plus or XPEL Stealth. Stealth being your matte finish. So we are going to install a matte finish on this. It takes down the glare a bit on the screen. We'll go ahead now. We are clean. We'll go ahead and install this piece of film. So I'm just going to grab the piece of film. I'll be back. So I've got the piece of film here. It's got a backing paper on it. Okay. We're going to go ahead, and we've got our soap solution here. Okay. We're going to soak down both the film itself, but we're also going to soak down the liner, and that's going to reduce any static that is caused by us removing the backing. What else I want to do is make sure that my hands are clean. So I'm actually going to rinse my fingers and hands down so that I know when I touch the film, I'm not going to leave either a fingerprint or any dust in the film before I apply it. So I'm ready to go ahead. I'm just going to remove the film. So you want to grab a corner of it. Again, make sure your hands are wet. You're just going to separate the liner from the film. Okay. And then you're going to take your soapy solution and just apply it to the adhesive side of the film. So I'm just going to hang that. I'm going to climb back into the car, and I'm just going to mist very lightly the screen itself. Now, this particular model has an arched bottom. So as you can see, we are arched at the top. So let's make sure we put it on the proper way. We're going to go ahead and lay that down. We're going to hold it in position. Okay, so you can just rest your thumb at the bottom, which will help the screen protector from moving down too far. Okay, and then we're just going to start at the top. We're just going to get a little bit of slip solution again on the outside of the film, and then we're just basically going to softly start to squeegee it out. It may shift on you. That's okay. You'll just put it back into position. We will slowly start to squeegee gently at first, just for your alignment. So right now we should still be able to adjust this a little bit if we need to. And we'll just follow that down from top to bottom. Okay. So this kit is available on the link below. Like I said, we will send you an application squeegee to help with your install. And now that is done, we're just going to go ahead and wipe out the excess water. Okay, and now we have a matte finish or a satin finish paint protection film screen cover. Okay, so now that this is done, we're just going to let this sit, let it cure up before we turn the screen back on. Sometimes you may notice if you turn the screen back on right away, that moisture in between the film while it's drying may cause the screen to do some different things. So we're just going to let this dry for about 15 minutes before we turn the screen back on. So after you've let it settle for about 15 minutes or so, you can just obviously go back to your regular screen by holding this button to exit, and then you're back to your regular screen. All right, thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please click on the link below at our website at www.renoson.com. Please like and share and follow us.